So there is one free slot here. That can't be right. So let's try to fix that. Welcome back to some new stuff. So what's up today? Adding a micro drip system. So last time we have installed the in-ground sprinkler, and we have used these big tubes to go all across the lawn down to the sprinklers. So that basically allows us to keep the maximum water pressure from the source, which is what we want if you want to bring out a lot of water to the lawn. So a micro drip system has obviously a different purpose. So what is it? It's basically designed to have, let's check this little picture here. It's basically designed to water like plants or little trees and stuff like that, much more precise. So it's not about covering a large area with water. So we don't need these big hoses. So that's where this one comes in. So as you can see, this one is quite a lot smaller in diameter. So that's the one that is used to bring the water to where you actually want to use it. So on this picture, that's actually the long one. And then we have this one, this tiny little one. So let's keep them together. Quite a large difference again. So this one is basically the one here going to the little plants. So how does it work? You basically don't need the big one. You just have this one going from the water source to wherever you need it. In our example, we're gonna water 2 big pots that have 6 little trees in them. And then for every tree, we're gonna go out with one of these little lines and then add one of these little thingies here that we then can attach to that one here. And we're gonna go out of the middle hose and then add per tree one of these. So let's go and build the structure. There you go. Here, so I've basically built 6 times these little hoses that then go to the plant. So I have here this little drip ending, the hose, and here the connector that goes from the main water line. So we're back at the water source. So here it's basically all about reducing the pressure. So what we have here is, that's the key thing. This is a reduction element. It will basically bring down the pressure to about 1.5 bars. So, and the rest is just like the connections to put it here in together. So here, from here on, we will go with reduced pressure with the micro drip system to the actual plants all over there. So as usual with this type of project, you want to start off with a little mock-up of the whole thing before you start bearing any lines here. So that's what we've done here. So that's basically the line that goes back to the water source. And now we're gonna attach the whole thing here, also with these little clamps here that keep some distance from the ground so it doesn't get dirty. So that's the next thing we do. So that's how it looks right now. So we have here the connection to the hose, the little thingies going to the plants 6 times. So that's how it looks like when it's actually installed. So and these heads allow for an adjustment of the flow. So you can either adjust it here per plant, or then obviously with the pressure of the main line and the timing of how long you want to water it. And let's put it to the test. Looks good right here. Nothing coming out of this one. Let's see what the others do. That's a good one. Okay, only the last one makes trouble. Let's see what's wrong. Okay, I mean, I'm wet, but it does work now. That's all that matters. Okay, we're back. Some work has been done off camera. So the hose here is now in ground all the way through here, and the rest we've already seen. So, but what we have not seen is this mess here. All of this, yeah, was down there and basically prevented to have the line put down there properly, and also it prevented the grass to properly grow, so the edges were kind of dry because there was just not enough place to have sufficient amount of soil below. So this has finally been fixed, and yeah, just the last piece missing here under the tiles. So that's gonna be the next part to do. So everything is back in. Now the last adjustment, because these just don't fit anymore, but that's now the last details. Okay, that's it. Final touch done.